How to do the shake to reveal on Instagram. The Shake to Reveal feature lets you hide a photo behind a frame that is only revealed when the viewer shakes their phone. To use this, open Instagram and tap the plus icon at the bottom. Select Story. Then, either take a new photo or choose one from your camera roll. Once you have your story ready, tap the sticker button at the top of the screen. In the list of sticker options, look for Frames and tap on it. If you don't see it, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Now, select the photo you want to hide behind the Shake to Reveal effect. Once you pick a photo, Instagram will automatically apply the effect and you will see a message saying, "Your photo will reveal on Shake." You can also add a caption to your story if you want. After customizing the story, tap Done and post it to your story. When someone views it, they will see a frame with the caption you added. To reveal the hidden photo, they need to shake their phone. This feature adds an interactive element to your Instagram stories, making them more fun and engaging for your followers. That's how to do the shake to reveal on Instagram.